Hi, nice to meet you.
You too.
Andrew. Okay. We'll lock out right now. It's to the left or to the right for open?
Right.
Okay.
God damn.
The magic.
You ain't lying. I think I got some ad money in here.
I see. You got money, man.
That's mad money.
Let me get the change. 35 is 20. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's okay?
That's okay, sir.
Sorry.
You send me a receipt?
You want to receive?
Yeah.
Okay.